Hey, so Helium 10 black box alternative. Are there any alternatives to this Amazon FBA product research tool called the Helium 10 black box? Well, there is, and I'm going to share such an alternative with you in this video. However, if you're someone that's not finding the way to use black box, or you're maybe like, I can find good products there, I have in the description a tutorial that shows you how to use the black box by Helium 10 from A to Z. I show all the parts of black box with real examples of how to use it, so it might be helpful for you. Also, in the description, I'm going to have a free Helium 10 account with best discounts for you. As you can see on the screen here, it's going to be an affiliate link. Means if you ever use it, it's going to support my free content here at no extra cost to you, but you only get discounts. But what is the alternative for Helium 10 black box if you're still like, oh, I don't really want to use it? So there is this alternative called Jungle Scout Product Database. This is a similar tool by Jungle Scout, which is also a software for Amazon sellers. Also, there's a great page of discounts in the description for Jungle Scout, as you can see here. And I'm going to link a few more pages of discounts. So 50% off discount for Jungle Scout and some other yearly discounts. Basically, the first one is Product Database. It's going to help you find products to sell on Amazon instead of a Helium 10 black box. So it's an alternative. And another one is called Jungle Scout Opportunity Finder. So these two products by Jungle Scout are going to help you as an alternative to Helium 10 black box. It's kind of similar, but it's an alternative because it's going to be a bit more cheaper in a way, because Helium 10 is a bit more expensive software. And I have also tutorials for you that show you how to use the Opportunity Finder, and also tutorials that show you how to use the Product Database in the description, video tutorials. So everything is going to be covered. So maybe you will find this more comfortable for your product research. And I'll tell you that, look, with all the respect to those tools, and I love them myself, you can also do product research in different ways. Just let's say use Google to search for products. Find Facebook groups that are maybe for fishing lovers and see what people are talking about. So there are other ways to do product research. So that's another option. But a good alternative to Helium 10 black box is Amazon tool called Jungle Scout. And inside of it is Product Database and Opportunity Finder. Everything is linked in the description for you. The best discounts for Helium 10 and the best discounts for Jungle Scout and the best tutorials for all those tools. Have a great day.